Want to create a personalized birthday card video for your friend? It only takes a few simple steps. Let me show you. Go to the Vivago website, enter the template section. Find the greeting cards category. Choose from a variety of ready-made templates, including themed birthday cakes, cartoon characters, and age-specific greetings. Select your favorite template. Double-click to download the image. Copy the prompt. Go to the video generation section. Upload the downloaded image. Paste the prompt and edit the name. Click Generate, and just like that, you have a custom video for your friend. You can use the same method to create even more surprises. Try it now and impress your friends.